How to create account on McDonald's app. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you easily create an account on the McDonald's app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open the McDonald's app. And then here, tap on your country and select your country. Then here you can also select your language. So tap on the language, and here only is available English, so I will just select English. And then tap on confirm. Then tap on continue, and you have to give location permission to McDonald's app, so you can tap on while using the app or only this time. Now here, tap on these three lines in the top left corner and then tap on my account, and here in my account you have to tap on create account. Then if you like to receive news, updates and promotions from McDonald's via email, you can turn this on. And if you like to receive news, updates and promotions from McDonald's via SMS, you can turn this on. And then you have to turn this on. I am age 18 or above and agree to the terms. So if you agree to the terms, you have to turn this on and then tap on continue. Then here enter your first name, here enter your last name, here enter your email, enter a password, then here enter your phone number. Then after entering phone number, scroll down and tap on continue. Now open this email you signed up with McDonald's, and you will get a email from McDonald's. You have to enter this code, so copy this code. After copying this code, open your McDonald's app and paste the code or enter the code here. Then tap on continue. Then your account is created, so just tap on check my orders, and you can skip it or tap next. I'll just skip it for now. So here you will get all of the offers available, and so this is how you can create account on McDonald's app. Thanks for watching.